In this video, we will compare Loom versus Vimeo. When comparing Loom and Vimeo, both platforms offer video hosting solutions, however they cater to different needs. Loom is primarily designed for quick, simple video creation and sharing, particularly in professional and team-based environments. It's a great tool for recording screen captures, video messaging and tutorials. It's often used in the workplace for communication, onboarding and collaboration. Loom provides an intuitive, user-friendly interface which allows users to record videos easily and share them via a link. It's best suited for internal communication or sharing videos that do not require heavy customization or branding. Loom also offers a free plan with essential features, though its paid plans have advanced features like longer videos, unlimited storage and better analytics. On the other hand, Vimeo is a popular video sharing platform known for its high quality streaming services, customizable player and a focus on creative professionals. It offers a wide range of features appealing to filmmakers, businesses and content creators who want more control over their video than the platforms like YouTube. With a sleek, ad-free interface, Vimeo is ideal for those looking to present content in their professional environment. The platform also offers powerful tools for video hosting, collaboration and analytics, as well as a well-positioned for password-protected videos and live streams. However, Vimeo's pricing model can be a barrier for some, as its subscription plans can be relatively expensive compared to the free options available elsewhere. Overall, Loom is perfect for a quick and efficient communication and video sharing with your team, while Vimeo excels in providing professional video hosting platforms and customization with high quality. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.